this is Aurora and I'm back with a new video. I saw so many posts on Instagram of people like having like this glow, very highlight. Well, what I'm talking about, people, I'm talking about WolfieCindy. She's so pretty, and I was like, I'm gonna try to do like this kind of makeup that she's doing, like looking very natural. So I'm very white compared to her, so I don't really know how it's gonna look like, but I'm gonna try. And also I don't really know if I'm gonna be enough fast for the sunlight to still be over there. Damn, I'm really becoming a beauty YouTuber. So I'm gonna try to make this makeup very quickly. We'll see the result. So first I'm gonna start with this little mist, which I really love. I bought this recently and I really feel a difference when I put it on my skin. So this is a very quick makeup, but a very pretty makeup. So then I put some moisturizer to prep the skin. And I'll also have some sunscreen on. I never go out without my sunscreen because, you know, acne. So then I'm using this little baby that I'm putting on my skin as a primer. What I really like about this is that it's making my skin look more brighter. Right now I'm trying this new technique that I saw on TikTok, but which is also a very old technique. You start by putting your moisturizer, then your primer, and then, well, actually I should have put my powder before. Now it's a turn to put some eyeliner. So this one, I had this one for like maybe 5 years now. Because you really don't need so much. Like I have this and I'm not even sure that I'm going to use all of this because this is so bright. I've met Cindy when I was on a shooting for a music video. She was the main girl, and she's really like, what's annoying with her is like she's really that pretty in real life. There is no lies about her being pretty. She's really that pretty. She's the type of person you like, yeah, maybe she's using Facetune and she's not that cute, but she's that cute. And she seemed like a very genuine person. I mean, when I say genuine, I'm not saying that she's really nice or anything. I'm just saying that she's herself and she's not faking it, which I feel like there's so many people on YouTubes and on social media that are pretending to be anything except themselves. I really love this foundation because, as you can see, it's very natural looking, and the coverage is pretty good for me for my current skin state. And as you can see, like the highlighter is still under it, but it's very subtle. I should put foundation on the wall. Not me. Not so many people do that, but I'm gonna spray set on my face before putting any more powder or any more stuff. I received this. I actually am not even sure this is like a setting makeup something. It's saying that that's the spray with the sheen. So I guess this is just set your makeup. I'm not sure. It's looking like a perfume bottle. I think it's glass. I don't even know how to. It's a joke. I don't even know how to open this. Well, I guess I'm not gonna use it. What the fuck? Okay, that's not good. I can't open. Well, I'm not gonna use it. I don't even know how to open it. It's a cap, so I'm sure like there is nothing else. That's probably why they sent this to me. It's broken, that's why. Total fail. Okay, anyway. So I'm gonna put it here. Fucking bitch just called me. Like at first he was not even answering the phone. That's why the video just stopped. And I was like, hello? Hi. Excuse me, can I help you? Hey. And then like I hear like some and like, hello, I can hear you. And then he's like, hi. Can I look at him? And I'm like, what? I'm like, you know what I mean? And I'm like, what? Can you repeat? It's like, can I speak with the Arvin? And I'm like, that's a fucking wrong number. I hate people that call me and they don't even speak, and then like, you're like, hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Anyway. She's also bringing her eyeliner very, oh. I think I got the shiny part right. I have so no in his face. Let's do the eyebrows or the browns? Let's do the browns and then the eyebrows. For the browns, I'm gonna use this little baby. It's a bronzer but also an highlighter, and I love it because it's so pretty. Ooh. Look at that. So I am not trying to put too much bronzer on that bronzer later because I'm gonna put more bronzer later. Now it's time for the bronzer. First I'm gonna start very lightly with the hula because the hula chop 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 chop. Yeah, I'm just scared to touch too much my hair because I have so much makeup on my hair. I know like not so many people have to put here, but like I have a big forehead, so that's why I'm putting some over here. That's why. So much happened since the last part of the video. My phone battery shut down. Then I tried to charge my phone and my phone fell down in the trash. I feel like this video have really some bad luck, you know, the guy who's calling and my battery, then the trash, but I'm here for it till the end, trying as much as I can to make it look good and to go fast to show you the result with the real sunlight. So let's go back to it. The most important, the broken blush, because if it was not broken, it wouldn't. I put some everywhere. This video will really get the best of me. The sun blush, I'm taking the orange one first to apply slightly. So the orange will help to make the pink layer look more bright. And it doesn't really look orange on here. I don't know if it's because it got broken and the pink that was next to it got mixed with it. And then I'm gonna go with the rocator with some. Yeah, I don't have any mirrors. I'm really doing with the camera right now. So, yep. Right now I'm just looking like I got slapped in the face. It's not really sun-kissed. Okay, so now let's clean this a little. And I'm making sure to make everything kind of mix very well, because we don't want some patch. We don't. I'm gonna put some under my eyes to get rid of this. Actually, I just forgot the concealer before, so it will look really weird if I'm putting concealer right now everywhere. I'm just gonna put some on the very important places. I feel like I'm the only person right now to put my concealer with my finger. But I feel like you give a more natural look. I really love this concealer. I'm gonna use my Sephora palette. I'm gonna put a very bright nude first on my eye. As you can see, it's very bright. It's kind of like champagne color. This makeup is really more about looking natural without being natural than anything. I know I'm using a lot of my fingers, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And then I'm gonna go with a little browns over here. I'm gonna put in the crease. Okay, I think I need more definition, so I'm gonna go with my bronzer. All my fucking hair on this side, because so you can see. First, I'm gonna go with my blush. I'm gonna use the rocator. I feel I need more color. I'm gonna go more in the center of the crease to make it look more winky, winky, winky. Good. So I feel like she always have like this very defined eyebrows. So I'm gonna try to do the same. I'm using the Benefit one because I'm not crazy about anything else in Benefit actually. I've tried so many different brands like Sephora, Anastasia. I know Anastasia is like the one that people are like, oh, I love it. I don't like it. I'm really not used to do my eyebrows like very dark. Usually I do like more natural. Well, that's my usual makeup for my eyebrows. And I feel crazy right now. Damn, this is the eyes. I don't see anything, so I'm gonna come back, guys. I'm laughing so hard because I haven't done my eyebrows like that in like, I know like it's very slight for some people, but it's not. I'm gonna use this little one for Benefit. I hate when they're not looking the same, but that's nature. They're just brother and sister, not twins. I fix them up. Good. And then I'm gonna go and put some eyeliner, just very slight. Oh damn, I've never put eyeliner in this camera. Ooh, I'm so stressed. I kind of feel like I'm gonna look in the mirror and I'm gonna be like, what the fuck did I just do? I'm so blind. Wow, this is so dirty. Okay, so I'm done with my eyeliner. As you can see, the light is really going off, so I am happy that I'm almost done. Now I'm gonna use this little baby. It's the mascara from Lauren Mercier. I don't even know which one. I just got it as a sample. I'm really wondering if there's anything coming off. I don't see any result. Okay, it's not working. I'm gonna use mine. My regular one, best friend, the only one, the rocket. So you can see now the difference. This is good for the face. Face is. I felt that it touch. It's good. I'm gonna use. Today is really such a fail for every new stuff, so let's try this Rouge Lab, this lipstick, which is Norse. I think the color can be pretty cute, but I'm scared that it's very too dark for me. It's so tiny, so cute. I'm sorry, but I need to know if the lipstick smells good. I mean, it's good. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's so dry. And this is so pointy. Like, what the fuck happened with that? As you can see, the color is not even going on my lips. It's like so hard. But though I really like the color. But if the real lipstick is like that, it's way too dry. Though it felt very good on the lips. So I'm finally done with the lipstick. And now, yes, it's time for result with the sunlight to see if my makeup is looking as glowy and as pretty as Cindy makeup. And I really hope I'm gonna look good in the sunlight. So I don't know what you guys are thinking about the makeup. I feel that it's pretty glowy. What I think is missing is probably some much more highlighter. So I'm gonna get my highlighter and try to add some more. So I just added some more highlighter. It's actually not even looking that big. I'm kind of shocked, but I really love this makeup look. I don't know what you guys are thinking about that. Make it very natural, but like I said, very bright look. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. Maybe the next video is gonna be more like difficult makeup look because I'm doing more natural and there's plenty of videos like that on the internet. I'm really bored with this quarantine. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a good day. Stay tuned. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below and to like the video. If you have any subject that you want me to make a video about or that you ever have any question, I'll be happy to answer. Just leave a comment down below. Bye.